Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. In this video, we are going to talk about the WordPress dashboard. If you are new to WordPress, the dashboard can look a bit confusing, but don't worry, we are here to help you and get familiar with it. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of what the WordPress dashboard is and how to use it. Before starting the tutorial, make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe button so you guys get the notification of my upcoming videos. This is the default landing page of the WordPress dashboard. It displays an overview of your website, recent activity, including posts, comments, and their site. Or this is the place where you guys manage your complete website content like pages, post, theme, plugin, or you can say it is the backend of your website. Let's start overview with the dashboard. On your left side you can see lots of options like home, post. Let's define this is the dashboard button. Whenever you are in other section or pages, you just click to the dashboard, you come to the main page or landing page, see the things at glance like site health status and posts, comments and other things, recent activity, WordPress events and news. And in under the dashboard there is an option of updates. In updates, whenever your website, theme and plugin got the update and need to be updated, so the update will be shown there. And in post section we normally manage our news and update like blogs. You can add new post categories and tags. In media section, this allows you to manage your website media library including images, videos and audio files. You can upload new files, edit existing ones and organize them into folders. In pages, this section allows you to create and manage your website static pages such as the about page, contact page and other pages. Or you can add new pages, edit existing ones and organize them into hierarchies. Or if your website is WooCommerce or e-commerce website, then there must be new pages like a cart page, shop page and checkout page. And in comment section, this section allows you to manage the comments left by visitors on your website blog post and pages or on products. You can approve, delete or mark comment as spam. And then we have an option of appearance. This section allows you to customize the appearance of your website including theme, widget, menu and more. You can choose from variety of pre-made themes and or create your own using a drag and drop interface. Currently you cannot see the other option. Once you install the theme or activate the theme, there will be lots of new option in appearance. Then we have a option of plugins. In plugins, this section allows you to install, activate or deactivate plugins to add new functionality to your website. There are thousands of free and paid plugins available for WordPress, ranging from SEO tools to e-commerce solution or even managing website or blogging website, whatever the things you like. You manage all the things from here. Plugins basically the piece of code or you can say a snippet of the code that just ready to use in your website to enhance or increase your website functionality. And then we have an option of users. This section allows you to manage the user accounts on your website. You can create new user, edit existing ones, and assign roles and permission in the role section. Then we have the option of tools. This section contains various tools to help you to manage your website, including importing and exporting content, optimizing your database and much more like site health, theme file editor, plugin file editor. And then we have the option of settings. This section allows you to configure various settings for your website, including general settings, writing settings, reading, and more. You can also set up your website permalinks, which determine the structure of your website URLs. And in the last, you guys maybe see a Lightspeed cache plugin. Normally it is installed in the last of by completing the website, but the hosting that I'm using for this website that provides the free Lightspeed cache plugin. This is the plugin is used for the speed up your website. This is the brief overview of the WordPress dashboard. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. The WordPress dashboard may seem a bit confusing at first sight, but with a little practice you will soon become familiar with it. If you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar for more WordPress tutorial and tips. Thank you for watching.